Hi, in this video today we would like to see how to build a quadruped spider robot using SC08A servo controller and Maker Nano. What is SC08A? SC08A is a 8-channel servo controller which offers reliable yet user-friendly RC servo motor controller to hobbyists and students. Here are the features of the SC08A. Now let's look at the component and other tools that are required to build this robot. Now let's look at how the components are connected together. The body of the robot is 3D printed using the artillery Hornet. Now we can start to assemble the 3D printed parts together with the electronic components. Once we have assembled the robot, we can now start to program the robot. For the program, I have used the Arduino. Once the programming part is done, we can now power up the spider board. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.